After you've had your property assessed by Restorerz, you might be asking, what's next? As we shared a lot of information with the scope of work and claims process. We want to walk you through the entire restoration process so that you feel confident in the next steps. A few things to keep in mind. Although this is one claim, there are two parts to the claim: mitigation and reconstruction. You now have technicians scheduled to perform the emergency services at your property. Here's what to expect next. 1. We pack out all contents from the affected areas and move it to our climate-controlled warehouse until your property returns to pre-loss conditions. 2. Any building materials that can't be dried will be removed. 3. Once all non-salvageable materials are removed, drying equipment will be placed to dry all materials remaining. 4. Drying equipment must stay on until property is deemed dry to IICRC standards. 5. Once property is dry, equipment will be removed and a line itemized invoice will be generated and sent to you for review and signature. Note, the invoice is due 30 days from the day you receive it, giving you more than enough time to submit to your insurance company for payment. After receiving the invoice back with the signature, we are more than happy to submit a copy of the invoice and all documentation required to your insurance company as a courtesy. Email us at info@restorerz.com about any payment or invoice questions with your claim number in the subject. Now that the mitigation portion is completed, we can move on to property reconstruction. As the property owner, you select the contractor of your choice to perform the reconstruction. If you select our construction department, you'll be assigned a new project manager to assist with your claim and make sure your property is reconstructed back to pre-loss conditions. At Restorerz, we firmly believe that how you do anything is how you do everything. So, if at any time you have questions or concerns regarding anything and everything, please make sure to give us a call so that we can better assist you. Thank you for choosing Restorerz to restore your property.